Let's start. Try again. It still won't start. Do you know why? Come on, let's go to the front. When I saw this car, I knew what the problem was. It was actually the oxygen sensor that was dirty. Let's take it apart and take a look today. My God, this one is full of sludge. Next, we will clean it. So dirty. The oxygen sensor has been cleaned now. Next, we install it back. Okay, the oxygen sensor is now installed. Next, let's try to start the car. If the car can start after a while, don't forget to give me a like to support me. Come, let's start. Look, the car started very smoothly. Is this knowledge very practical? I am May. Follow me, homepage and more car knowledge.